Okay, here's a computer. It has its own speakers and it has a pair of headphones. Now, how to separate the sound to send, let's say, music through Winamp into the speakers, and meanwhile, let's say, edit a video and listen to that sound in the headphones. Well, first let's modify here in Windows. Right click on the speaker, open sound settings and send every sound to the headphones. You can modify the text, whether it's headphones or speakers, from the control panel. Okay, so every sound that is played will be sent to this one. Now let's use Winamp and right click on it and go to Options and Preferences. Preferences, and down here at Plugins we have Output. Select, let's say, the direct sound output and double click on it to customize it. And at device, don't use primary, but from here select, let's say, speakers. Okay, so Winamp will send the sound to the speakers and everything else will send the sound to the headphones. So let's just try it. I will start this one on the left. Come on, start. So the sound comes from here, from the headphones, and meanwhile the music is coming from the speakers. So that one sends it to the headphones and Winamp sends it to the speakers.